child support, evictions, foreclosures, bankruptcies, things like that. I charge more, but if it's not reporting as a repossession, like this isn't reporting as a repossession, I'm not going to charge you as a repossession because I don't have to dispute that way. The disputing process is different. Well, at least for me, it is. I'm not talking about anybody else. I'm not comparing myself to anybody else. I could care less about others right now. Other credit repair experts. You're on my channel. You're listening to my shit, and this is how it goes, right? But when it comes to heavier items, I put a little bit more elbow grease into the situation because it is at times difficult to remove the item. It may take a little bit more time than necessary. But this isn't reporting as a repossession, so I'm gonna treat it like a collection account or a charge off, and it comes off as such. Okay. So what I don't need y'all to do though is to say, "Oh snap, that's supposed to be a repo. Let me call the bank." Why would you do that? Why would you call the bank? Why would you poke the bear and remind them that they need to properly report the debt on your credit report? Nah, let it go. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's probably benefiting you. Same thing as when somebody is putting a creditor put something positive on your account that's not yours. Man, you better take that and accept it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I digress. This person, same thing. Self lender, I do believe SBNA, self lender. That's the abbreviation. And this is a closed. So many things wrong with this. This is a new client of mine. Yeah, I just worked on them, but But this is a loan. This is closed. They don't have this marked as a charge off or anything like that, but it's a closed account. It's with the original creditor.